Alright, this is a really quick intro on how to do the gas properties activity. A couple things you're going to want to look at. You see the pressure gauge right in the middle of your screen, which is measured in atmospheres. Where it says 0K, that means 0 Kelvin. That is the temperature gauge. You have a little guy over here on the left-hand side. And with the handle, he can control your volume. Okay, and what you'll do is over here on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see constant parameter. This is where you can keep one or mainly one or none of your properties constant. So for example, if I kept the volume constant, so none constant, see everybody see the handle over here where the little guy is? And if I push the volume constant, the handle goes away, meaning I can't change the size of the container. Okay? And then gas and chamber, this is where I can control how many gas particles specifically, or you can just do what the instructions say and pump the handle. And it'll let some gas particles in there. And then what I want you to do is just kind of manipulate the scenario. You can add heat down here on the bottom by clicking on it and then raising up. That raises the temperature, as you can see, which causes the molecules to speed up. And then you can also see the pressure and how that affects the pressure. You can also remove heat, slows the molecules down, and how it affects the pressure. If I was to take off the volume constant, I can drag and increase or decrease the volume. If I do cause too much, I'll cause the container to blow up. But you can always push the reset button to restart what you're doing. Okay, so once you do your reading, for each section where you start looking at properties of relationships between volume and pressure, and volume and temperature, and pressure and volume, then you can manipulate this activity to illustrate these relationships.